Hi, boys and girls. This week we're going to be talking about activities we can do in the spring, and we're going to be writing about them. We're going to listen to a story called How Do You Know It's Spring? In this book, it will talk about different activities we can do in the spring. Make sure to remember those activities because after we listen to the story, we're going to come up with all the activities we can think of that we can do in the spring.
How Do You Know It's Spring? By Lisa Harrington. Welcome, spring. Flowers bloom, birds chirp and sing, kites blow in the wind. That is how we know it is spring. Daffodils, like the ones in this field, are some of the first flowers in the spring. There are 4 seasons in each year. Each season lasts about 3 months. Spring is the season that comes after winter. First day of spring is March 20th. What's the weather? In spring, the air gets warmer. The days are longer. That means it stays light in the evening for a longer time. The warm weather melts winter snow and ice. Some spring days are sunny, others are windy. We are ready to put our winter clothes away. Spring is in the air. Grab your raincoat and umbrella. Spring brings the pitter-patter of rain. It also brings the roar of thunderstorms. Plants and animals in spring. The warm, wet weather helps plants grow. Flowers pop up. New grass sprouts. Farmers plant their crops. Buds form on trees. They open into leaves and flowers. Animals are busy in spring. Bears and other animals awake from hibernation, their long winter sleep. Many birds migrate back from their warm winter homes. They build nests, they lay eggs and wait for babies to hatch. They bring their chicks food to eat. The return of robins is an early sign of spring. Baby animals are born in spring. Bunnies scamper in the woods. Fuzzy ducklings splash in a pond. The baby animals will grow big and strong. Kids in spring. In spring, we plant seeds in gardens. They will grow into vegetables and flowers. We spend more time outdoors. We ride our bikes. We have fun at the park. We play tennis and soccer. What is your favorite thing to do in spring?
Okay, boys and girls, now that we've listened to our book over spring, can you tell Miss Kay activities that we can do in the spring? I heard lots of good spring activities. Here are some of the things that I heard. You can plant seeds in the spring. You can fly a kite. You can ride a bike. You can play tennis. You can play soccer. You can jump rope. You can go to the park. You can walk in the rain. You can jump in puddles. I heard lots of other great activities too. I just ran out of room with all of our activities on our screen. Make sure to keep these activities in your heads today, boys and girls, because this whole week we're going to be learning how to write about activities we can do in the spring. Great job today.